I don't think I've ever worn my glasses on this channel, but here we are. Welcome back to another video. My name is Stephen Foster. Today's a very different video. If you've read the title, seen the thumbnail, you already know, you're here. We are gonna be unboxing the RZE, or the RZE for some of you English speakers. The Resolute SC Super Compressor. This just showed up at the house about maybe a couple hours ago. And full disclosure, I am not affiliated with RZE, but I have been able to get to know Travis and some other important people that I'll be talking about, Kirk and Hui, over the last 6 months. They're really awesome guys, but Travis is the main dude behind RZE. They're making these really awesome titanium watches, and they're now partnering with Crypto Dials, which, full disclosure again, I am a horologist in, but no one is paying me to say any of this. No one's paying me to make this video. I wanted to make this video for a couple reasons. First of all, I like watches, or at least as I've gotten older, I've come to like having a watch on my wrist. I don't need anything super fancy, but I've been really let down, I feel like, by the smartwatch world. You spend $500 to $1,000, maybe a little bit less, but for something that kind of only works for a few years and starts slowing down, giving you issues, at least that's been my experience with smartwatches over the past 5 years or so. It's not really something that you get to hang on to, pass down to someone. And I think for that same investment, you could be having a tool, a watch, something that you could pass down to your kid, give to a family member that's gonna still be ticking along for years to come. The second reason why I wanted to make this video is because it's hard to actually find, I feel like, a quality watch that isn't too big but not too small, especially if you're a medium man like I am, 5'8". I don't know what that is in meters off the top of my head. I think it's like 1.5 meters maybe. I'll leave it somewhere up here. I'm a medium dude. I wear medium to small shirts. I do like a decent sized watch, like a 42 millimeter watch, but I don't want it to be too big, too thick, too heavy. And RZE makes these titanium watches that Travis has explained to me their whole process of making these titanium watches that don't scratch. If you're like me and been old enough to be around the old Ti books, the titanium power books before Apple started making the MacBooks out of aluminum, those things would scratch, and they looked like, it just looked like someone had been running it through sandpaper if you used it in normal use. Like a good titanium watch today shouldn't cost you more than a few $100. RZE does that job well, and I'm excited to see what this watch looks like on my wrist. Final reason why I wanted to make this video was because last year, if anyone has been following my channel for a while now, you know that I made my first NFT as a collaboration with my friend Nate. We did this like art sort of photography and guitar composition over this photograph that I took. I thought it was really cool, really enjoyed it. The project I learned a lot from. It didn't sell, but I'm actually really happy to have it because I got a lot of experience in what NFTs are and what that whole space is. And I know there's like a whole weird, there's a lot of like salesy people and people who like are treating it like a religion. And at the end of the day, I just kind of see it as a tool, and I do think it is a worthwhile tool. That's why I'm talking about it. And the reason why I'm excited about what RZE is doing is they've partnered with Crypto Dials. Kirk, Travis, Hui, and many other awesome people are behind this project, but those are kind of like the three guys leading the charge. Very soon you'll be able to have your Crypto Dial built for you and made into a real watch. I own a few Crypto Dials, but I'm not like in the ownership stake community of that community. But this is really exciting. I do think this is like the next iteration of what NFTs and the online creator community and physical things, like making real things with real value for people. I feel like that's finally all coming together in some of these projects like Crypto Dials. That's why I I'm a part of Crypto Dials in a way, but again, like no one's paying me. I don't have like a vested stake in any of this. I don't make any money if you buy an RZE watch or a Crypto Dials NFT. But like I said, this is like one of my favorite communities, some of my favorite people, and a product category that I actually care a lot about and want to see that category get pushed and want to see value get created for people. So with all that said, let's dive into unboxing the watch. That was actually very, very nice, very easy. I got the Resolute SC in a Kevlar black, as what the official color is here. I actually like this a lot. So we have some text here at the top that I'll read for you. I'll give you the ASMR version, maybe. I don't know, I don't do ASMR. Here we go, let's try it out. Every once in a while, we receive something extraordinary in our lives, and this box represents all the amazing gears you will start collecting to go on your unforgettable journeys. Welcome to your adventure kit. It all starts here. Thank you for pledging to take on this journey with us. We hope you fill it with the greatest memories and tools. Assembled for adventure. Hashtag assembled for adventure. This is sick. Okay, so RZE will give you a Ranger pouch with your watch. Now that's pretty cool. You guys have seen Garage Built gear. They make something very similar to this that I've had my eye on for quite some time, but this is cool. There's a little Velcro pad up front so you guys can throw Ranger eyes on here. This feels like a, I don't know, like a nylon neoprene back. Zippers feel pretty heavy duty. That's actually pretty nice, yeah. Those definitely don't feel cheap. They feel very, very high quality. I'm gonna get this box out of the way. I'm actually, when I saw the box, I was like, all right, cool. They printed some stuff on a cardboard box. They actually did a really good job. That like interior black look to everything, the insulation, the packing material, amazing. Okay, opening the main compartment. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. All right, comes with a watch tool. This is probably for the link bracelet. Opens right up easy enough. That's cool. That is nice to have. I do appreciate that very much. And here we go. We have the watch. Oh, that's nice. They actually put in some bubble wrap to make sure it didn't get dinged up, and then it's in this plastic wrap. And then it looks like there is some plastic shrink wrapped to it. Comes off easy enough. Need to just get it sized up for my wrist. But that'll take a while, so I figured, you know, maybe I could pull this up here and show you guys what this looks like right here. Let's see. One of the important things to think about, like when buying a watch, especially if you're someone who's, you know, a little bit more active, or you're just someone who just doesn't like having a big, heavy thing on your wrist, this is really nice to have because titanium watches are just so light. This is just, if you've never owned a titanium watch or have seen one in person, put one on your wrist, this is the way to go, I think. This is super cool. It's really incredible that they've made a watch of this caliber, of this quality, at this price point. I think this watch goes for around like $500, maybe $600 USD, but I do believe they have global shipping as well. The way that the finish of the titanium is, there's like a healthy combination of like just enough like matte to it that it doesn't feel like it's trying to be anything. It's not trying to be like too expensive, but the way that like the polish of the titanium, whatever coat is on it, it's like the right blend of like adventure meets like classy, you know? I'm super pumped on this thing. And I'm super pumped that it came with this Ranger pouch. I mean, I've actually been wanting one of these for a while now, just as like an organizer to throw in my bag. This is cool. You know, I just want to say thank you to the Crypto Dials team, the RZE team, Travis, Kirk, everyone in that community. If any of you are watching this and you've been a part of the Crypto Dials community for any amount of time, I appreciate you. It's been one of my favorite communities on the internet that I've ever been a part of, and it's made 2022. It's like one of my favorite things from 2022. It'll be something when I look back on 2022, I'll look back on 2022 very fondly because of this community and the products that RZE and Crypto Dials have put out. I figured I'd make this video because, one, I wanted to continue to sort of experiment with this unboxing setup that we have here at the desk and this angle in the studio, and I figured, you know what, I just got sent this watch, why not? Why not go for it? But if you do want to buy an RZE watch, I'll have a link down in the description below. I love the Super Compressor, which is what my watch is, the Super Compressor SC. They also have the Endeavor, which recently came out, which I'm really liking, and may have to see if I can get my hands on one of those as well. And if you're interested in the Crypto Dials community or project where you'll be able to have an NFT that is a unique one-of-one watch that can be made into a physical watch, that's going to be made into a physical watch by these guys, RZE. I'll leave a link to the website and the Discord down below. With that, I know this was a different one, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel if you're new around here. I would love to have you subscribe and see more of these videos. I do a lot of stuff around photography and tech, but I'm kind of more on a mission now to just see how I can get the most out of life in the 21st century. I think that's kind of what the mission statement is going forward. Be kind, both in life and in the comments below, and like this video to send good vibes across the internet. We need more people sending good vibes to each other, right? I think that's a good mission to be on. And with that, we'll do it again soon. Later.